Have you ever considered the money you're not making? Most people focus on bills and spending, but rarely on the cash sitting idle in their accounts. That money is losing value every day as prices rise. This is the hidden cost of doing nothing. Missed opportunities for your money to grow. Imagine your money as a seed. Left in a drawer, it stays a seed. Planted and nurtured, it becomes a tree, producing more seeds. Leaving your money in a low-interest account is like leaving that seed in the dark. The first step to financial growth is realizing your money needs to work for you. Many fear investing, thinking it's only for the wealthy or too risky. But doing nothing is also a risk. Your money shrinks in value, and your goals drift further away. With a bit of knowledge, anyone can start investing, even with a small amount. This guide will show you how to turn £100 or $100 into something much bigger, using smart, proven strategies. It's not about gambling or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about making your money work. Let's wake up your sleeping money and plant that seed. Your journey to financial growth starts now. The most powerful force in finance isn't a secret tip. It's compound interest. Compound interest means earning interest on your original money and on the interest you've already earned. Think of it as a snowball rolling downhill, growing bigger and faster as it goes. For example, invest £100 at 10% interest. Year 1, £110. Year 2, £121. Each year, your gains grow. This is the magic of compounding. Your money multiplies over time. The key ingredient? Time. The longer you invest, the more dramatic the growth. Early on, growth seems slow, but over years it accelerates. That's why starting early, even with small amounts, is so powerful. Someone investing £100 a month in their 20s will likely end up with more than someone investing £500 a month in their 40s. Time is your greatest ally. Compounding works best when you leave your money alone. Don't rob your future self by cashing out early. Respecting compound interest is the foundation of wealth building. It's the engine that drives your money toward your goals, working quietly in the background. Start early, be patient, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. That's how your £100 can become £10,000. Where should you put your money to make it grow? Start simple, then diversify. Begin with stocks, not by picking individual companies, but by investing in index funds or ETFs, which spread your money across hundreds of companies. Index funds are like baskets holding pieces of many top companies, making your investment diversified and low cost. Once you're comfortable, consider adding a small amount to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, but only what you can afford to lose. Crypto is high risk, high reward, so keep it a small part of your portfolio. For real estate exposure, look at REITs, companies that own income-generating properties. You can buy shares in REITs just like stocks. This approach gives you a mix of stocks, crypto, and property, all without needing huge sums. Diversification protects you from big losses and helps your money grow steadily. Build your portfolio step by step, and let each part play its role. Building wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. The market is a roller coaster. There will be highs and lows, but patience is your superpower. Real growth takes time. Don't get discouraged if your investments grow slowly at first. Resist the urge to chase quick wins or change strategies constantly. True wealth is built slowly, brick by brick. Discipline means sticking to your plan, investing regularly, and ignoring market noise. When markets drop, see it as an opportunity. Your money buys more. Remember, you're investing for your future self, not for next week. Keep your long-term goal in mind to weather short-term storms. Don't panic during downturns or get greedy during booms. Consistency and a calm mindset are more important than perfect timing. Stay focused, stay patient, and let your plan work. That's how you reach your £10,000 goal. Every investment balances risk and reward. Low-risk options like savings accounts offer tiny returns. High-risk bets can bring big rewards or big losses. The key isn't avoiding risk, but managing it through diversification. Spread your money across stocks, crypto, and real estate to smooth out the bumps. Use dollar-cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market's doing. This strategy takes emotion out of investing and helps you buy more when prices are low. Smart risk management lets you benefit from growth while protecting your money. Let's see how your money can grow from £100 to £10,000. Start with £100, add £50 each month, and assume an 8% annual return. In year 1, you'll have about £728, just the beginning. After 5 years, you'll have invested £3,100. but compounding grows it to around 3,780 pounds. Your money is now earning more each year. Stick with it for about 12.5 years, and your total investment of 7,600 pounds could grow to over 10,000 pounds. More than 2,400 pounds of that is pure profit from growth. The secret isn't a huge salary or risky bets, it's consistency, patience, and time. Start small, keep going, and let compounding work. That's how big goals are reached. Here's a quick way to estimate how fast your money can double. The rule of 72. Divide 72 by your expected annual return to get the years needed to double your investment. At 8% return, 72 divided by 8 is 9 years. Your money doubles in 9 years. At 10%, it's just over 7 years. At 3%, it takes 24 years. This shows why higher returns matter and why cash savings grow so slowly. Use the rule of 72 to set realistic goals and stay motivated. Even small differences in return make a huge impact over time. Keep this rule in mind as you plan your financial journey. Knowledge is useless without action. Start today and let your plan run on autopilot toward your goal. We've covered the strategy, the mindset, and the numbers. Now the most important steps start. Don't wait for the perfect moment, it never comes. Even a small amount today is better than waiting for enough. Time is your most valuable asset. Every day you wait, you lose compounding power. The journey to 10,000 pounds begins with your first investment. Don't fear mistakes, everyone learns as they go. Consistency beats perfection. Open your account, set up your transfer, and make your first investment. Your future self will thank you for starting today. The power to change your financial life is in your hands. Take that first step now. Your journey to 10,000 pounds starts today.